Hey, how's it going, everybody? I want to thank you all for tuning into my channel. I told a few of you that I would be working on some videos for the 2GR swap into the Gen 2 MR2. I wanted to do a quick introduction video. My name is Ian. I've been into MR2s for about 15 years now. This is my third SW20. I also have an AW11 that's my daily. I've got my buddy's blacktop AW11 sitting just behind the camera over there that we're working on. We've got a MRS out back, and then we have a couple other project SW20s and AW11s. So we are far from new to the MR2 scene. This video series is going to cover some of the information on how to do a 2GR swap into the SW20 chassis. I'm going to go ahead and make a bunch of short videos is what I've decided to go to. A couple minutes apiece, covering each of the individual topics, things like preparing the block to mount to the E153 transmission, all the accessories on the engine itself, mounting up the motor mount. I'll go over a video with all of the different parts that I've ordered, where to order them from, as well as some alternative options for you on those parts. And then the actual installation and hooking everything up in the engine bay once the motor's ready to go in. So yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned. This is my 91 turbo chassis. I've done quite a bit of work to it. It's fully painted, has the 98 spoiler. It's currently got a built Gen 3 3S GTE in it. Full suspension. It's been my project car for the last 2 years, and I decided that my wife and I do a lot of road trips and things like that in it. So I wanted to put in a motor that's going to be a bit more reliable, easy to work on, better gas mileage than the 3S, and the 2GR kind of fits that point, as well as giving me a nearly the same power level that my Gen 3's at right now. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and I'll show you the motor and some of the parts I've got real quick. We won't go into any detail on any of those parts, but that'll come in the next video. So give me just a minute here and we'll take a look at the 2GR that I bought and some of those parts. Alright everyone, so here is the 2GR that I purchased for this swap. It is out of a 2015 Toyota Highlander. It only had 33,000 miles on it. I'll go ahead and cover some of the engines that you can purchase in the next video. I got this one because from all the pics and everything I saw, it was extremely clean. I have not washed this, and it was not washed before it was shipped to me. There's still dirt and grit that you can see, you know, if it had been pressure washed, wouldn't have been on there. So this should hopefully be a pretty good motor for me and last me quite a while. And then over here, I have a bunch of parts. Ignore that other motor, that's for another project that we've got going. But I've got a bunch of different parts over there. I've got the Frankenstein Motorworks headers, ECU, engine mount, MAF sensor pipe, the Wilhelm Y pipe hidden in the back there, bunch of other different parts on there. Again, I'm not going to go over those on this video. We will do a video that lists all of those parts, part numbers, everything like that for you guys. And then just a quick view here of my shop, since this is where a lot of my videos will be coming from. You can see my buddy's AW11 hiding over there. That is the blacktop 4AGE 20 valve swap that he is working on bodywork and paint right now. And then yeah, just a quick view of my shop. Heated, air conditioned. I got a big screen TV up there for watching Roadkill, or I don't know if I can say that on here. Watching different YouTube and Motor Trend channels while I'm working. So, yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back here soon to talk with you on another video.